In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot videos to your content. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and help you integrate engaging multimedia into your website seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Login button. Click on it to proceed. If you're already logged into your HubSpot account, that's great, but if not, you'll be prompted to access your account. A quick and efficient way to do this is by clicking on the Sign In with Google option. Choose your account and you'll be securely logged in with just a click or two. Now that you're logged in, let's get to where all the magic happens, the content section. Head over to this part of HubSpot by clicking on the content link, which should be easily accessible in the navigation bar. Once you're in the content section, the next stop is website pages. Give that a click. This area houses all the pages related to your website. At this stage, you'll want to select the specific website you wish to edit. This is crucial because the selection of the site will allow you to make the necessary adjustments only to that particular domain. With your website selected, it's time to customize your page by adding some video content. Look to the left panel of your screen and locate the Add button. Clicking on it reveals a host of options, among which you'll find the Media button. Go ahead and click on Media. Don't forget to click Show More afterward to expand your options, giving you broader access to different multimedia integrations. Once you've done this, you should see the Video option. Select it to continue. Here comes the fun part, choosing the video type. Determine what suits your content best and make your choice from the available options. After you've chosen the type, it's time to plug in your video content directly. Paste the URL code of your video into the designated field. This is a straightforward process. Just ensure that your video URL is valid and correctly formatted to prevent any hitches. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Go to the top right corner. You can either save your edits or choose to publish them immediately if you're ready for your audience to view the newly added content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly add video content to your HubSpot pages, creating a more dynamic and engaging experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your HubSpot content.